Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with a spotless workspace and clean hands. This prevents dust and fingerprints from sabotaging the job. Use the alcohol wipe to dissolve oils, then dry with the microfiber cloth and remove remaining specks with a dust sticker. Once done, pick up the protector by the non-adhesive edges and align it to the phone's camera and edges. Make sure the cutouts match. If your kit has hinge stickers, apply them now to hold alignment. This saves rework and ensures a single smooth placement. You should peel only part of the backing or use the hinge to maintain control. This prevents sudden drops and misalignment. Lower the protector slowly from one edge while watching alignment, and then let it settle. Make sure to avoid touching the adhesive. Press the center lightly to begin adhesion, and then push outward toward the edges to force air and trapped debris out. Use a thin plastic card wrapped in microfiber or the provided squeegee, and glide firmly, but gently to smooth the surface without scratching. You're in the final stage. Inspect for bubbles and trapped dust. If you find a large dust particle, lift the nearest edge gently, use the hinge or fingernail, and remove the particle with a dust sticker before reseating that area. For small air bubbles, press and push them to the nearest edge with your wrapped card. If a bubble is stubborn, a few seconds of low heat from your palm or a hairdryer at arm's length softens the adhesive. Make sure edges are sealed, reapply the case, and allow 24 hours for full adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.